Welcome to the next module. So here in this section we are going to see a quick tutorial about Quick Action Center. So here at the right side of our desktop you can see these all options here. This is called Quick Action Center. So here at the first you can see this arrow app option. If you click here you can see this all program is running at the background of our computer. So to add more program here, just right click on it and go to taskbar setting. From here, if we come down here, you can see other system tray icons. You can see this all icons are they are added to this arrow. You can see this show hidden icons. All this program that they are off, they are now added to this hidden icons. So to remove it, just click on it and make it on. So now in this Windows, Microsoft Excel is not here inside this anymore. To make it inside, to bring it inside back, just click it off. So these three options you can see, Siphon, Windows Update Status, they are all inside this show hidden icon. So from here we can add and remove applications or programs inside our show hidden icon. So in this section, microphone, if we click on it, we can bring changes to our microphones. From here we can, I click on, make it off, so I cannot talk with anyone through microphone. From here we can add languages to our computer and to our keyboard. From here just click more keyboard settings, and from here we can add languages to our computer. Just search here any language, like if we search Urdu, now we can add Urdu in our computer. If click here and press next, then Urdu will be added to our computer. So just now I cancel it and close this. So from here we can access to internet and Bluetooth and all other sections. You can see here you can increase and decrease the light of our screen. From here we can increase the sound and decrease it. From here we can see the computer, the battery, as a percentage of power available inside our battery. And from here we can make changes to our times. We can set our time in our bed. So also we can change from here. We can bring changes to Quick Action Center. If we right click on it, if we click here, from here you can see this pencil icon. Just click on it. Now you can see this all option. We can just remove this option from here. Suppose I want to remove this, just click on it now, and this option has removed from here. To edit, just click in this add section and just add whatever you want to add in this Quick Action Center. Just I want to add accessibility, and I want to add projector, and I want to add mobile hotspot. Now they are already, just press done. Now they are all added here. So if we click here, you can see this option focus. If we click on focus, now you can see that the focus option has activated. So within 20 minutes we cannot receive any notification or any call to our computer, because now we are focusing on a specific program. We are working on a specific program. So for 20 minutes no notification, no call, and no messaging will happen to our computer, because we have activated focus section. So to deactivate it here, just click on it. From here just From here you can stop. Now just it is paused. From here if we go here and just close it and come here, and now see that focus has deactivated. So this is all from this module. See you in the next module.